Hello and greetings. This is Zorba with yet another firearm unboxing video, and first range report will be coming shortly. My wife, who I've been married to for 39 years now, this is her revolver. It's a Charter Arms 357 Mag Pug, and she also has a Charter Arms Pathfinder, which is a 22 that she uses for practicing. But she was complaining that this pistol was too heavy for her to carry comfortably. So she started casting about for a lighter carry piece. And what she ended up with, move these away, is yet another Charter Arms. She just likes Charter Arms, and she's had good luck with them. So we'll open this up, and what she got... Okay, it has a nice case, similar to what my Thesis came in, but like a High Point, it comes in a high-tech plastic bag. What she got was a Santa Fe, and this is a 38, doesn't do 357, but it is plus P rated. It comes with the usual virtually useless pain in the ass trigger lock. Charter Arms 4-point lockup equals stronger frame, 8 groove barrel equals higher velocity, faster lock time for better accuracy, hammer block safety, Charter original concept. I thought that Ruger invented that, but whatever. Most compact on the market by 20%, more than likely, and it is plus P rated, 100% made in the United States. And here's an interesting subnote. While Charter revolvers are plus P rated, a 4-inch barrel length is required to gain any performance advantage. And this is a 2-inch barrel, but you will see that this is identical in size to her Mag Pug. Actually, that's not quite true. The Mag Pug has a slightly longer barrel. It's otherwise the same. And let's see, let me rearrange this a little bit here and hold it up to the Pathfinder. It has the same barrel length as a Pathfinder. The only interesting thing that I have found, and I guess this is because this pistol is brand new, Pathfinder 22 long rifle, this is stamped or engraved into the barrel, as is 357 Mag Pug in this one. But this one is, I don't know if it looks like it was sandblasted in instead of stamped. This pistol is reported to weigh 12 ounces by Charter Arms sales literature. Let's see what else is in here. Looking in the top here, let me slide this down to where you can see. Because there's nothing in there. There's I would assume and hope that there's a manual of some kind, and yes, there is. Okay, there we go. Cleaning instructions for aluminum colored frames. And here we are with manual and some other literature. Let's see what we have here. Okay. I am Nick Eckler, president of Charter Arms, etc., etc. Okay. Well, that's nice. And what do we have here? Oh, this is a brochure detailing these are parts and price lists for this. Okay. And a exploded diagram. That's rather nice to have. Youth Handgun Safety Act notice. Basically, keep them away from kids. Okay, here is the manual. This is an instruction folder, they call it, with the usual has the usual precautions and instructions on it. Not a bad effort. I've seen better, but I've seen worse too. Okay, and this must be nice glossy brochure. Okay, this is what shows all their different models that they make. Okay, cool beans. And Charter Arms lifetime warranty. Send it in. Hopefully you can do that online. Okay, she hasn't taken this one to the range yet, but she will be shortly. I will capture some of that on camera. Another difference between this pistol and her mag pug is the mag pug, which is significantly heavier, is ported. You can see the ports right here. Whereas this pistol is not ported. I would think that it should be ported just because it's lighter. And granted, it isn't going to be shooting 357. I've shot 357 in this, and I don't need to be doing that again. I would much rather shoot 357 out of something a little bit larger, like a Ruger Security 6. That handles 357 a little better than this. It's a little painful, although the rubber grips on this are very good at mitigating recoil. But wife asked me to highlight the front sights of these guns for her, and she saw my nails that I was doing for this video, and she said, yeah, put that pink stuff on my front sight. So let's do just that. There we go. Set that over there where it won't get caught up in anything. The Pathfinder, the 22, has a smooth sight. There we go. Mag Pug has this textured one also. Okay, right, we have done that. That'll be good. First up the way is her 357 Mag Pug right here. Put that on there, and it weighs. This is empty. All three of them are unloaded, of course, is 1 pound, 4.9 ounces, or toggling to 5, 1 pound, 5 ounces. Okay, that's 16, that's about 21 ounces unloaded. And just for fun, the Pathfinder 22. Is 1 pound, 4.2 ounces. The new Santa Fe Sky is supposed to be 12 ounces. Here it is, and it goes on, and on this scale it's measuring at 14.1. Okay, we are back from the range. My wife shot 50 full house loads through the Charter Arms Santa Fe Sky. She also shot a few through her .357 mag Pug charter arms as well. She had a bit of excitement today. She was shooting 5 rounds of this Hornady Critical Defense Light, and she had a squib. The range safety officer, who was a retired policeman, said in over 40 years of experience, he had never actually seen a squib. But this one round of Hornady squibbed out, so I will be contacting them and see if they want it back along with the rest of this box of ammo. Other than that, I took my Thesis 1911 and everybody's favorite pistol, the High Point C9. Both pistols have been cleaned and reloaded with the federal ammunition you see on your screen. My wife notes that the Santa Fe Sky, which is on the bottom, being that it's lighter, it does have more flip than the .357 mag Pug does on the top, as you would expect, but not significantly more so. And she was fine shooting full house loads in the Santa Fe Sky. That is the story. Goddess bless.